Hey first graders, it's Mrs. Daniel from Citizenship Academy, and today we have a fun lesson ahead of us. Let's look at our objective. Alright, we're on Module 3, Lesson 11, Collect, Sort, and Organize Data, then ask and answer questions about the number of data points. And we have some friends to help us out today. So, here's our chart. We're going to be figuring out what the favorite fruit is, and since I don't have a class of students with me today, we are going to be using some of my friends. I have a whole bunch of different friends, and they're going to tell us what their favorite fruit is. Kitty cat. Okay? So our choices are apple, banana, raspberry. So under favorite fruit, I wrote the 3 fruit choices. Now I'm going to write tally marks next to, if they choose apple, I'll put a tally mark next to apple. If they choose banana, I'll put a tally mark next to banana. If they choose raspberries, I'll put a tally mark next to raspberries. And then at the end, we're going to look at how many tally marks we have. We're going to answer some questions about it. All right, let's get started. First up is Mr. Froggy. Hello, Mr. Froggy. What is your favorite fruit? Apple. Oh, the apple. Okay. So we're going to mark apple for Mr. Frog. He gets a choice. And he chose apple. So I'm going to do 1 tally mark for apple. And I'm going to get a better marker because that one's not working too well. Let's see if this is better. There we go. 1 tally mark for apple. Next up, we have Little Miss Kitty Cat. What's your favorite fruit? Raspberries. Ooh, I love raspberries. Tally mark for raspberries. All right, who's up next? It's Mr. Hedgehog. Hello, Mr. Hedgehog. Hello. What's your favorite fruit? Apple. Oh, you like the apple. Okay. Apple. Oh, that was a bad tally mark. I'm going to erase that and do that again. Boop. There we go. All right, who do we have next? Mr. Monkey. What's your favorite fruit? Banana? Oh my goodness, do you like bananas? Of course, Mr. Monkey loves bananas. All right, banana for Mr. Monkey. Next up, we have Little Miss Unicorn. What's your favorite fruit? Raspberries. Ooh, another one for raspberries. Okay, next up is Little Miss Bear. Hi, Miss Bear. What's your favorite fruit? Raspberries. Oh, another one for raspberries. Okay. Tally mark for raspberries. Who do we have next? It's Mr. Duck. Hello, Mr. Duck. What's your favorite fruit? Raspberries. Raspberries again. Oh my goodness. Another one for raspberries. So we put a mark next to raspberries. Here's our last friend. It's Little Miss Doggy. Hello. What's your favorite fruit? Raspberries. Another one for raspberries. Wow. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember with tally marks, when you get to number 5, you do a line across. Okay, wow, look at our chart. And now we can answer some questions based on our information that we collected. We collected this information. Everybody got a turn to say what their favorite fruit was. Okay. So now, here's our question. Here's our first question. How many chose apple? So I look at apple, I go over. How many chose apple? 2. That's right. So I'm going to write 2 here. Okay, here's our next question. How many chose apple or banana? So the way we figured this one out, how many chose apple or banana? That means we have to count both of those. How many chose apple and how many chose the banana? So we have 1, 2, 3. So 3 people, 3 animals chose apple or banana. Now look at this one. Which fruit was the favorite? So which fruit was the favorite with the most votes? Which one has the most? Apple, banana, or raspberries? Raspberries has the most. It has 5. That's the most. If we look, we have 2, 1, 5. Which number is the biggest? 5. So that's the one that has the most. So I'm going to write raspberries. Okay, so that's how we collect, organize, and answer questions about data, right? We're going to look at one more chart. Let me switch the screen here. Look at this chart. So it says a class collected the information in the chart below. Students asked each other among stuffed animals, toy cars, and blocks, which is your favorite toy? Then they organized the information. So they have stuffed animals. There's 11. For toy cars, you slide all the way over. 5 people chose toy cars. And blocks, how many people chose blocks? How many people? 13. Very good. Now, let's look at the questions. How many students chose toy cars? So what do I need to do? I need to go up to toy cars right here, toy cars, and slide all the way over to see how many chose toy cars. 5. Very good. So we would write a 5 here. Now, how many more students chose blocks than stuffed animals? How many more students chose blocks than stuffed animals? So this time, we have to subtract 11 minus 13. 13 minus 11. Take 11 away from 13, and how many is left? Or you can start at 11, you can count up to 13, which I think is what we're going to do. So we're going to say 11, 12, 13, 2. So 2 more students chose blocks than stuffed animals. All right. That's all for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. It was so fun, and I'm so glad I had all of my friends to join me. And I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.